Hi everyone, my name is Shilpa and welcome back to the channel. We all know that it is important to eat right and work out regularly to remain healthy. But for the effects of your food and workout to really soak into your body, one more thing you need to do properly, and that is sleep. An adult needs at least 6 to 9 hours of sleep every day. Many people have a lot of trouble sleeping these days, and that's why I'm making this routine specifically as a bedtime routine or routine which you can do before bedtime to really get good night sleep. So let's start. Begin in a mountain pose. Draw your focus inward towards your breath. Try to disconnect from the world and connect with your breath. Take a deep breath in, bring your palms up, and exhale, release them down. Inhale all the way up, and exhale, slowly release. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, slowly release them down. Last time, take it up as you inhale and hold. Either stay here or for more challenge, you can start taking your heels up. And slowly exhale, releasing it down. Inhale, arms up, and this time as you exhale, dive down, folding forward. Stay here for a few breaths. You can clasp your elbows and sway side to side, or go a little deeper by placing your palms under your feet and bringing your head a little more closer to the knees. Choose your option, don't pull too much. This is supposed to feel relaxed. Slowly release and bend your knees, sit down on the mat with your legs extended in front. Bend your right leg and place the foot near your left thigh or wherever it is possible. Inhale, bring your arms up and exhale over your right leg. Inhale, arms up and exhale, bend forward. Inhale up and this time exhale and hold the forward bend. It doesn't matter if your head really reaches your knee. Just try to maintain your legs straight and keep pushing your belly or chest towards your leg. We are trying to stretch the hamstrings here. Stay here for a few deep breaths. Slowly release, come back up. Take that left straight leg over to your right thigh and hug the right knee to your chest as you extend your back, moving into a twist. You can either stay here or you can hook your elbow to the knee and get a little more deeper twist. Release. Let's take the whole thing on the other side. Extend your right leg out and place your left foot to the right thigh. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, bend forward. Inhale up and exhale, fold forward. Inhale last time up and exhale to get into the pose. Again, don't pull too much. You are approaching the end of the day probably. So try to relax, try to enjoy the stretches. If you want deeper stretch, you can cross your hands over the leg. Slowly come out of the pose. Coming into a spinal twist. Take the right leg over to the left thigh now. Hug the knee to your chest and go into the twist. You have an option of hooking your elbow to the knee and getting into a more deeper stretch. Breathe in and out through your nose. Slowly release. And now we are going to move into Baddha Konasana or cobbler's pose. So bring your feet together and let's warm up by taking a little bit of butterfly, moving your legs to open the hips. And now place your elbows on your thighs and press them down as you move forward. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. Extend your hands in front and stretch your palms. Spread your fingers. You can bend your elbows to again go a little deeper here. But if it's already challenging, maybe stay a little high up. That's okay. Again, be nice with your body. Don't torture. Slowly walk your hands back and release. Lie on your back and hug your knees and rock them around. Stretch out the work that you just did. Maybe take a few circles with your knees, move them side to side, give a little massage to your back. Place your feet down as close to your hips as possible and arms by your side. We're going in a supported bridge pose. Inhale, take your hips up. Exhale, release them down. Inhale, hips up. Exhale, release. Inhale up and exhale, release it down. Inhale up and exhale, release. This time, inhale up and hold the pose. Supported bridge pose. Either you can stay here or again, if you want, then you can interlace your fingers below and stretch your shoulders as well. Slowly release it down and again hug your knees and rock them around. Rock them and come all the way up. We're going to move on a sequence called Halasana rolling. So inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise back up. And exhale, lie on your back, lifting legs over your head. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale and exhale, legs up over your head. Continue to do this. The faster you do this, it is easier than doing it very slow. So try to maintain a pace as you roll on your back. If your legs can't reach all the way back, please don't worry. It will eventually happen. Do your best. And take the last one up here, legs up, and hold Halasana or plow pose. You can use your hands to support your back, or if you already have a good balance, then you can release your hands down. While coming out of the pose, make sure your neck is continuously touching the mat as you take your legs slowly down in control, descending one vertebra at a time and coming all the way down on the ground. Come back up, and we are going to do a compensatory pose for this pose, which is called fish pose. So whenever you do Halasana or plow pose, this pose is mandatory to remove any side effects. Come up on your elbows and then touch the crown of your head on the ground. Slowly bring your elbows up, removing that support. So basically your hips and head is touching the mat and the entire upper body is up, arching. While coming out of the pose, carefully take your weight first on your elbows and slowly lift your head up to release it down. Turn on your belly. We're going to do Cobra pose. Keep your toes together palms to your chest level. Inhale here. As you exhale, lift your upper body up. Squeeze your back muscles. Keep your elbows slightly bent here. Slowly release back. Either you can repeat the same thing or again come back in Cobra pose and then turn your chin towards your left side for a little different area of the back to get stretched. Release it down. Again come back in Cobra and then touch your chin to your right shoulder this time. Release all the way down. Come in a child's pose. Touch your toes. Rest your hips on your heels. Open your knees as wide as possible. Relax in the middle. Bring your left hand to the extreme left side. Place your right hand on top of the left hand, stretching the side body. Coming back to the center, taking it to the side, right hand goes to extreme right and then left hand over that right hand. Come back to the center. And then we are going to move into the last pose, which is the most important pose of this sequence, Shavasana. You can move on your bed if you like for this particular pose, if this is the end of the day for you, or just release your body on the mat. Keep your legs at a comfortable distance from each other. Hands by your side, and then draw your focus to your breathing. Observe your body posture with closed eyes. Feel your body weight. Feel the air around you. And now we are going to try to reach a complete relaxation where we leave all this awareness and become fully relaxed. So draw your focus all the way to your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet, relax your heels, relax your calf muscles, knees and thighs. Relax your hips. Imagine as if your lower body is becoming more and more heavier and relaxed. Take a deep breath in to the end of your spine, the tailbone, and relax your entire vertebra, moving from the tailbone slowly up towards the neck. While doing this, if you feel any discomfort, any tension, any pain, send your breath into that spot and intentionally try to relax. Relax your core muscles, round chest, relax your shoulders. Bring your awareness to your fingers. And as you exhale, relax your fingers, relax your palms, and relax your arms. Relax your facial muscles, jaw muscles. Feel your body becoming more and more heavier and more relaxed. Leaving all those tensions, worries, negativity, everything down. Feeling completely relaxed. Allow yourself to drift into a deep sleep, the rest that you and your body deserves.